more she practiced than Sritej means I need to, what I should do?
Minus.
I should subtract 1 by 4 half. She practiced more than Sritej. Hope you understood, children. Any doubt here, please let me know. So, or else I'll go with one more example. Don't copy the question first. Listen. One more example, you listen. Now, Rishit, student in our class, Rishit practiced science 1 by 3 hours. Rishit practiced on the Sunday 1 by 3 hours. Rishit practiced 1 by 3 hours, whereas Aishwarya practiced 1/5 hour. Who practiced more by how much?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ashwath, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Okay, Ashwath, first step, what I supposed to do there?
Ma'am, we should convert mixed fractions into improper fractions.
Oh, wonderful. Sritej, can you please tell what is 1 by 3 hours into mixed number to improper? How I supposed to do?
Ma'am, we have to multiply 2 into 3 plus 1, which is 7 by 3.
7 by 3. Coming to what about Aishwarya's study time?
Ma'am, 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by 5.
11 by 5.
5.
11 by 5. Now I want to compare these two students who studied more by how much?
Okay.
Go with cross products, that is one method. Or another standard method, making as LCM. What is LCM of 3 and 5? Yes, wait. Rishit, can you please respond better, Rishit? Rishit, your voice is little low. I cannot hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, all right. What is LCM of 3 and 5, Rishit?
3 and 5, ma'am. Ma'am, with the 3 and 5, 8, ma'am.
Yeah. 3 and 5 both are what type of numbers?
They're prime numbers, ma'am.
Wonderful. If both are prime numbers means what is LCM?
Ma'am, is the LCM 15?
Wonderful. Just the product. Very good. Just the product is the LCM. It's wonderful. It's 15. Good. Now I need to make my fraction equal to denominator. That means what is my fraction? First fraction 7 by 3. I want to make it equivalent fraction like denominator 15. That means what is the numerator that time? 3 how many times? 15. 3 5 times. Yes, so if you want the same number, you're supposed to multiply, right?
Yes, ma'am. 35 by 15.
Wonderful. What about 11 by 15, beta? Same way you just, this is your first student who is here, Rishit, and second student about Aishwarya, I just want to come. 11 by 5 is there. I want to make it as denominator 15. Means 5 becomes 15. How many times 5 becomes 15? 3 times. So what happens in numerator part?
33.
Wonderful. This is 33 by Aishwarya. Now you can compare easily. Weight of 35 by 15 is Rishit, and whatever 33 by 15 is Aishwarya. And who read more here? Who read less by how much?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I read more, ma'am.
Very good. By comparing 35, numerator is greater for you. So you read more time. By how much time you read more, beta? That's my question.
Ma'am, I read 2 times. 2 by
15.
2 by 15.
That's more important. 2/15 of fraction. I read more than Aishwarya by 2/15 of fraction. Wonderful, children. Wonderful. Shall I give based on this 1 or 2 questions? Can you try it? Anvit join right now. Anvit, are you able to get the points better?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Let me give 1 or 2 bits for you. check my students. Okay. Don't copy. You can start from right now. Now. Anvit, because of sports day in Anvit school, he practiced he practiced regularly for 3 by 5 hours for the meet. And whereas Anvit friend, one of who is your friend Anvit? Anvit?
Rishi.
Rishi practiced. Okay, this is Anvit. And come back to the Rishi. Now I want attention of the student Ashwath. Ashwath and Adrit. This is Anvit and this is Rishi. Okay. Whereas Rishi practiced the for 1/10 half hour, for 1/10 half hour, or for 1/20th of hour, for 1/20th of hour. Who practiced more by how much? Who practiced more by how much? I want attention of the student Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath. Ashwath, here how you supposed to say? Suppose if the question is, whereas I am given the question as like a 5/3 by 10 hours, one more student like Adrit practiced 5/3 by 10 hours, means it is easy for you. Yes or no? Because you can compare directly the whole part. It is 4 hours here, 5 hours. By looking only you can say. But this is not like that. The case Adrit, whereas Anvit and Rishit are taking as the same whole parts, like 4 hours, 4 hours, and fractional part only varies. In that case, any what is the baby supposed to do?
Ma'am, we should first convert them into improper fraction.
Yeah, please, children, everyone, please start doing. And who practiced more by how much? Who practiced more by how much? That's my question. Everything you're supposed to give, children. By how much also? Through sandbox. Who practices more?
Ma'am, I practice.
Okay, more by how much? That's also how much?
11 by 12 hours.
Don't tell the answer. Please text me better with. So
Okay.
that
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once again?
Yeah, there are two students here. Two students. In that two students, Sanvit practiced for 3 by 4 hours for his sports meet, whereas Rishit practiced for 1/20 hours every day. My question is, who practiced more by how much?
Ma'am, the person who the A1 is Anvit, right?
In a day, because of sports meet, the teacher makes you to practice. So you are practicing that. I got answer from one of the.
For
Okay,
A,
please text me. Okay.
the name. Oh.
Let me. A practices more. Very good. Aishwarya, given by how much, Aishwarya? By how much? That's portion I want. How much Anvit practiced more time? Come on, children, if you're so good at this, we will go with complex sums. I got one more to my students, already two students given. Soumya also should respond. And with practiced more. Very good, Sritej. Soumya also given correct answer. Wonderful. Wonderful, Soumya, you are correct. 11, 12, Anvit practices more than Rishit. Okay, fine, good. This is only questions, children. Let me go with some application part right now. Can I give a few more examples, children? Yes, sir. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give. Okay, we'll go with the two. Okay, right. Shall I clear the screen, Najmi? Hope you got it right. Yes. Any doubt? Advika is not yet sent the answer. Anvit gave answer. Adit gave answer.
Mama,
Very good,
send
Adit.
you the answer.
Oh, 1 minute. Sorry, Advika. I did not notice your name. Practiced more by. Okay, very good, Advika. Correct. Correct. Now there is another question related to this, but you try to do it, children. If not happens, I'll help you. Advika is a student in our class, right? So here the question is, Advika spends 1/4 of money on Monday. Suppose the father is given as a pocket money to Advika. She spends 1/4 of money on Monday and 2/5 of money on Tuesday. 2/5 of money on Tuesday. First, how much on Monday? How much she spent, children? She spent
1/4.
on Monday. She spent 1/4. Yes. On Tuesday, how much she spent? Yes. She spent on Tuesday. Let me go with the question. She spent on Tuesday 2/5. 2/5 of 2/5 of money. What fraction of money left with her? What fraction of money left with her? What fraction of money left with her? Yes.
Mom, her father gave her how much?
No, father, they did not mention, only fractional part they mentioned. Advika, father gave some amount. I don't know what is the amount is not given here. In that, she spends 1/4 on Monday, 1/4 on Monday, and 2/5 on Tuesday. 2/5 on Tuesday. What fraction of money is left? It's a wonderful, beautiful question, children, because you may have lots of Anvit gave answer, but was not sure. Let me check Anvit. Okay, let it check. First, how much Advika father gave? We don't know. We don't know. How much he gave? We don't know. Some suppose X or any variable. Okay, nothing is there. First day, how much she spent?
Mom, can we try by ourselves?
Yeah, please try. Good. You can try it, better. Try it. And 5 minutes later, 3 minutes I'll give. Okay, I got one of the answer from my student and with long back. He is trying to wait. Let me check another student who is the second child given the answer. I think Aishwarya. But both are getting different answers. Aishwarya also tried. Here, what is leftover amount they're asking? What fraction of money is left over? Not what they together they spent is not given. Aishwarya, hope you got it. My point better.
Yes, mom.
That is whatever the part you send is that together the Monday and Tuesday together she spent. And what is our question? What part is left over? Ashwath.
May answer
1 minute, let me check. Ashwath given, Adrit given. Let me check.
Mom, can we give the answer in the form of integer?
Yeah, through chat box. You just text me, children, once done.
My question is that can we give in the form the answer in the form of integer?
Integer also. You try it, not an issue. Please put whatever answer you are getting, please place it. Advika father gave 1/4 of. Advika spends 1/4 of money on Monday. And she spent 2/5 of money on Tuesday. Okay. What fraction of money left with her still? After spending the amount on Monday and Tuesday, still how much she has left?
Ma'am, I'm not sure with my answer. Is it right?
Okay, let me check straight. I think yours and Aishwarya are thinking very the same manner. Maybe you are also some part correct, but it's not wrong. You're correct, absolutely correct with some part.
Ma'am, is mine correct or wrong?
Who gave?
Ma'am, Ashwath.
Ashwath. That's why wait, Ashwath, let me check. Because different answers my students are getting. Let me check who is that. She got money from father. She got, okay, Soumya is given. Soumya dear. Hello, Soumya. What is the denominator? What is the denominator you got?
120. 28. Hello?
Yeah, I caught. What is, okay, Soumya, please, what is your denominator, beta?
Ma'am, 28.
I'll help you, children. How much she spent on Monday?
1/4. 1/4.
On Tuesday?
2/5.
2/5. Together, how much she spent? This is spent.
Ma'am, is
Spend. How
13
much?
by 20.
LCM is 20. 5 plus 8, which is 13 by 20, she spent. That means out of 20 portions, she spent 13 portions. Well, how much is left?
Ma'am, 7?
Left with her. What?
Ma'am, is it 7?
Very good. It's 7 by fractional form, you suppose.
7 by 20.
7 by. Wonderful. This is one way of testing beta. Another type, there is another question. I'll just put the other question also. I'll write the question on the board because these are the two questions probably children can do errors. I'll just give that other part of question here. It is very clear in this case, Monday she spent, Tuesday she spent. They did not give any condition. But in the next problem.
Ma'am, how did you get 7 by 20?
Yes, 7 by 20 is absolutely correct answer. Who got Anvit long back first correct answer given by the student. Very good, Anvit. And my question is here. Suppose a student who joined late for the class. Who joined late for the class today? Yes, Hidresh? Hidresh, okay. Yeah, Hidresh brought a chocolate to the classroom. Hidresh brought one chocolate. One chocolate he brought to the classroom. He gave to one of his friend Chetan. Chetan 1/4 of chocolate he gave. 1/4 he gave to Chetan. And remaining, how much in remaining? In remaining, he gave to Rohan 3/4. What is remaining after after the 0? No, after given Chetan, how much is left with him? Left with him. Suppose 1/4 you gave to Chetan. How much is left with you?
3 minus 1. 3/4, ma'am.
Wonderful, Aishwarya. It's 3/4 left. And this 3/4, whatever left over, again he gave 1/3. 1/3. Again leftover, whatever left over, he gave 1/3. That means how much part is there?
No, 0, ma'am.
No, beta, it's 1 by 4, right? It's 1 by 4.
Oh.
This is generally, children, this type of questions. How the questions are means I will help you. Just once again, this is generally you doesn't have in class 6. So maybe when you're going to class 7, you will have such a complex sums, but not an issue. Whatever the chocolate, suppose boy Hidresh having a 1 chocolate, he gave 1/4 to his friend Chetan, and from remaining, whatever the leftover part, from that leftover part, he gave once again 1/4 to Rohan. How much he gave to the Rohan? That's the question.
What, ma'am?
Yeah. Suppose you have you brought a chocolate. Listen, general. You brought a chocolate. You gave to your friend 1/4. How much is left over?
2. 3 by 4.
How much is 3 by 4? In this 3 by 4, again one more friend Rohan came. You gave to half to Rohan. In 3/4, you gave once again half. That means how much you gave to Rohan?
Teacher, 2.5. 2.5.
1 minute. How much is left? Left portion is 3 by 4. What he gave to Rohan? Rohan share is? Rohan, how much? 1/3 of leftover. 1/3 of leftover. What is leftover part? 1/3 of means into 3 by 4. Now 3 into 1. 1 into 3, 1. 1 into 3 by 3 into 4, which is 3 by 12. 3 by 12, can you write it as 1 by 4? So 1/4 of fraction you gave to whom? Rohan. Chetan, you gave 1/4. From leftover, 3/4 you gave once again 1/4 to Rohan. So which is equal to 1/4. 3/4 of leftover, children. 3/4 of leftover. Whatever the leftover. What is a general mistake they will do here? 3/4 they won't write. So they will take 1/4 of leftover. That is a general mistake done by the students. That questions, if any questions are there, I'll give in the worksheet of IMO also. Let me see that worksheet, what is given here. Okay, and next, children, next. Anu spent. No, I doesn't want to give the same question. I'll give some other different question. Okay. Sonam read 25 pages of book. Sonam is a student. She has a good habit like reading regularly. Who is having good habit in you among you children?
Ma'am,
Who
I
are
read
reading
daily one.
Very good. Who is that? Who is that? Soumya raised. Very good. Very good. My students are very honest students. Reading is very good, children. Please read whatever the book you feel comfortable, you like it. Regularly, you're supposed to read 1 page or 1.5 page or whatever the one para.
Ma'am,
It's not a bad. Yeah, Advika, please.
I read one story.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So every day you're supposed to give a story to me. What is the story you read today? What is the theme of the story? That's only 2 points.
It's like last school they made like 100 days reading machine. So in that daily we have to read the books.
Wonderful. You just message me whatever the stories you are reading and what is the theme in that. You just, whenever reading stories, children, you have a wonderful. Oh, what is the story? Today's story you read?
I bought the book from my house to school and it was no.
Here, like you, there is a Sonam. Sonam read 25 pages. Sonam read, I like not read. She read 25 pages. Yes, she read 25 pages. Out of how many pages the book total pages contains? Pages of book containing? Of book
Ma'am, my book
containing.
contains like almost 25 to 30 pages.
Okay, containing here 40 pages. So now book is 40 pages. Sorry, 100 pages. I thought 40, but it's not 40. Sonam is a good girl. She's having 100 pages storybook. Okay, 100 pages. In that, how many pages she read? Sonam read 25 pages of book containing 100 pages. Whereas Palak is other student. Palak is another student. Whereas Palak is another student. She read 2/3 of the book. Palak is another student. Palak, she read 2/3 of book. She read 2/3 of book. Very good. I got one answer from a student. Let me check. 2/3 of book. Who read less? Who is lazy fellow here? Who read less? Who is lazy here? Who read less?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
By how many pages? Or else by how much? How much less or more you can? Yeah, Sritej.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Sonam read 25 pages of book containing 100 pages, whereas the same book Palak read 2/3. She read 2/3 of book. Who read less? Who read less? I got the 5 students are given answer. Let me check who's correct. First correct answer, second correct answer. Let me check. Okay, I got 7 answers. Wow, wow, wow. My students are really active. Very good. Everyone are with only one student. Anvit gave Palak more by 512. And who read less? Correct only. Palak is, I think, Rishit is given. Okay, Sonam. Okay, is reading less, and even Anvit is given. Sonam was read less, and Ashwath is also given. Sonam read less, and Adrit also given. Sonam read less. Who is lazy here? Is Sonam or Palak?
Ma'am, no one because I'm Palak. Ma'am, because 25 pages, it's not a fraction. That's like one whole number. So that's why a proper fraction is always smaller. So that's why.
No, beta, you can reduce, right? You can reduce, right? 20. You can first write as a fractional form. Sonam read 25 pages out of 100. Means how I can write? What fraction she read means 25 by 100. Come on, please simplify it. 25 by 100, how much you will get?
1/4, ma'am.
1/4. Very good.
Ma'am, on the
Yeah.
LCM 12, so you should do 4 times 3. So it will be 3/12 and 2/3 will be 8/12.
Okay, okay.
Minus it, we will get 5/12.
Okay, Ashwath. Okay, let me check. Let me check. You, my people are, everyone are given answer. Let me check. Here they gave, they did not mention children, only number of pages mentioned in the first case. What is that they mentioned out of Sonam read? Sonam read. How much she read, children? She read 25 out of 100. Out of 100, she read 25 pages. That means if you simplify this fraction, or else, okay. If you simplify, how much you will get, children? If you reduce into lowest terms. If you eliminate common factors, how you will get common factors elimination? 5 5s are 25. 20 times 100. Now catch this 5 by 20. 5 by 20. So 5 by 20, once again, if you simplify, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So number 1 by 4th of 1 by 4th of. So number how much? 1/4 of book. What fraction of book she read? 1/4 of fraction. And whereas Palak, you come to Palak. What is Palak? Palak is given directly fractions only. They did not mention about anything. Palak read 2 by 3 of book. 2 by 3 of book. Now, if I want to compare who read less, who read more means, if I want to compare Sonam and Palak, Sonam is 1/4 and whereas Palak is 2/3. If you go with cross products, which is 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. That means who read more? More is Palak. Who read less? Who read less?
Soman.
Less. Who read less? Sonam. By how much?
He read less 5 by 12.
Very good. Yes, please compare it. So this is about who's 5 by 4. This is about Sonam. This is about Palaka. If you see 1/4 and 3/4, if you compare 3 here, 8 over here, which is greater?
Palak. 2
Yes,
by
yes. You comparing, you know very well, children. 1/4 and 2/3. You can do any method by taking LCM. Also, you can find out. What is LCM? 1/4 and 3 and 4 denominators are? What are the denominators?
4 and 3.
Very good. 4 and 3. What is LCM of 4 and 3? These are prime numbers. Prime numbers.
No,
4
ma'am,
into 3.
Ma'am, 4 is not prime number, but they both have no relation, so they're co-prime.
Very good. No, sorry. One of the number is prime. Very good. Another is composite. Then you can multiply better directly. Very good. Its LCM is how much?
12.
12. Right. Now go to the next. By how much? You go back to the question. Please raise your questions. Like first fraction given as 1/4. First fraction given as 1/4. Which is equal to denominator as 12. Now how many times it is? 4? 3 times. The same number you're supposed to multiply on numerator also. 1 3s are. Yeah. This is your first fraction. What about your second fraction? 1/4. 1/4 is over.
2/3.
Yeah, 2/3. Sorry, 2/3. Now do you want to compare 2/3, right? To make it equal to LCM as 12.
8 by 12.
Very good. Because 3 4 times.
4 2s
3 4 times 12. So same number you should multiply 8 by 12. Wonderful. This is correct. 8 by 12. Now what about?
Ma'am, I got the last answer as 5 by 12.
Ma'am,
But different.
now.
Very good. We should subtract now.
Teacher, you have to subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Means 8 by 12 minus 3 by 12. Teacher, the answer should be 5 by 12.
We will get 5 by 12.
Teacher, 5 by 12, teacher, answer.
Oh, that's okay. Fine. Who reads more means you can say Palak is reading more by how much means 8 minus 3 by 12. 8 minus 3 is?
Teacher, she is reading like 5 by 12 more than
What is it? What is the difference? What is the difference?
5 by 12.
Very good, children. That's all. Now let me help you. Let me help you. This fraction, first fraction is equal to, what is first fraction? 1 by 4. We can write it as equivalent fraction 3 by 12. Second fraction you write as 8 by 12. So who is greater means?
Teacher, Palak is greater.
Very good. By how much she is greater?
Teacher, 5 by 12.
5 by 12. Wonderful.
12.
Wonderful. That's 5 by 12. Leftover
Thanks.
part is 5. Right, children. We are really good children because these are the applications frequently will testing in the competitive exams also.
Ma'am, can you conduct a quiz?
On what? Properties of correlated polygons?
Ma'am, fractions.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you connect it now?
Let me see. What is the time now? Oh, it's already 8:40. Children, any doubts in subtraction? If any subtraction given
No,
like
teacher.
these questions.
No, ma'am.
Is it? Okay, very good, very good. Ashwat is Sonam, right? 512 less than Palak. Good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Yes, please.
can we have a quiz?
Yeah. I'll just put it, ma. 1 minute. We'll go with the last 10 minutes. Before that, one more question you will do on this, ma. That question I'll dictate, children. I won't write. What must be taken away from? Yes, what must we take from? Just a minute, children. I'll clear and I'll write the screen. On screen, I'll write. What must be take from? What must be take from? What must be take from?
You said previously what must be away from?
Take from 3 1 by 2 to leave 2 2 by 3. 2 by 3. You know what are you supposed to think? Think and let me know. What must we take from 3 1 by 2 to leave 2 by 3?
Ma'am, first we should make
Teacher, first we should make a improper fraction of it.
What must take from? What must take from that we don't know. What you don't know from this number. You are subtracting whatever number
Teacher,
you are
but we have
subtracting.
to first convert it into improper, no?
3 1 by 2 minus what number leaves as 2 3 by 4. 2 by 3. Come on, children.
Teacher,
Please find.
we have to subtract it.
Yes, what you should subtract?
Teacher,
Ma'am, I got.
teacher, we should
Send it
subtract 2 by 3 minus 3 1 by 2.
2 3 by 3. Okay. 1 by 2 means
Yes.
you are comparing. Okay.
Teacher, so 3 2 is 6. Plus 2, 8. 8 by 3.
Okay.
Then 3 2 is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So 7 by 2.
Let me write. This is 7 by 2. Okay. What about
And that
this
one
part?
is 8 by 3.
8 by 3.
Teacher, the common means the lowest.
2, 4.
Teacher,
This is we don't know.
teacher,
Let's see what number.
teacher, LCM lowest common multiple is 6. Teacher, LCM is 6.
Now to find out this unknown part, this part, what I should do?
8
I
to
have to
teacher, we have to
first number minus
teacher
8 1 by 3.
2 3 is 6, 7 3 is.
Yeah, 3 7s are 21 minus 8 2s are 16 by. Yes or no, children?
5 by 6.
What is the value? Yeah, I got almost all my kids are given answer. Let me check who says correct. 6 students are given. Different answers you are getting, children. I'm so sorry. Different answers are given by my students.
Teacher, I'm chatting now and let teacher once see.
Yeah, let me. Ashwath, 2 out of 26.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Who gave? Adrit gave. This is very, very important topic. Children, fractions don't, because I want to go without fractions.
Is my answer correct?
Let me check the answers, what you are getting. Adrit is given 1, Ashwath is given 1 more, Advita is given 1, Sritej is given 1 by 6. Okay, I don't know what is the answer. Different answers by my students are getting. Different answers are getting, children. I thought you may get uniform answer here. So
5 by 6.
What is the LCM here? 6 is the?
It is a 6, but actually it should be 5 by 6. If we divide it, it comes like 5 1 by 1.
Very good. That's all, children. That's all about today's class. And these are the very important subtraction part in
Teacher, so what's the final answer?
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
5 by 6, right?
Yes,
Yes, teacher, I sent it just now.
I
Okay.
got the answer is 5 by 6 and then I converted that into mixed fraction. Ma'am, how can you
Yes, I did not get one student is not given it the answer.
Ma'am, I just by mistake, I got the answer is 5 by
Very
6.
good.
Ma'am, first I gave it but I thought I
Teacher, who was
converted it.
right first?
Rishit is given correct answer. Hidresh is given correct answer. Sritej is given correct answer. And no one. Only these. No one.